Students, today I am going to explain you remaining part of the first chapter. Let's know history. Now let us study student studying history. Why do we study history? People live in the present, they plan for and worry about the future. History, however, is the study of past. History gives us the tools to analyze and explain problems in the past. It positions us to see the pattern that might otherwise will be divisible in the present, thus providing a crucial perspective for understanding current and future problem. Now let us see archaeologist. History means information given by archaeologists about past of human society. Archaeologists study of human activity in the past, primarily through the recovery and analysis of the material within and environment data that they have left behind. Archaeologist data mostly depend on the artifacts that archaeologists excavated on the field. With the artifacts means things of the past, archaeologists determine the culture, lifestyle of the past. The artifacts are studied as per the time period they were used. So the dating methods are very important for archaeologists. So archaeologists, they go to ancient places and dig out the houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, sample of food, bones of man and animals, etc. And archaeologists, they study them and make us aware about the culture of man of the time. Now let us study historians. A historian is a person who studies and writes about past and is regarded as an authority on history. Historians are concerned with the continuous methodological narrative and research of past events as relating to the human race, as well as the study of all history in time. Historians are responsible for determining the authority of historical data, preserving artifacts and significant documents in museum or libraries, and studying history at the intersection of society, culture and economic, among other duties.